manufacturer. I got it from Wild Fork. And those
You can
wings.
say whatever you want because I'm going to edit it out and just put music.
Are you
to
listening to me?
Yes.
I thought you were just doing silent.
No, you can't record it silently. You have to take the sound out.
Oh, I'm sorry. You have to put it on the pizza block. And your pizza block eliminates you having to put it on the oven rack. And the result is a crispier crust. When you get a frozen pizza, it's going to be all distorted and stuff all over everything. And it's going to look a little weird at first. Now always keep the box to cut on. You want to cut on your... If you don't have a giant cutting board, you're gonna need the box. Here's my towels, which I don't have one in here. Very upsetting. I like to work with a towel. So, I got there. I only need one. I'm at 150. Just one. What I normally do is I take them. If they're stuck on there, then they're stuck on there. A little onion powder. Make sure you get this garlic. It's the main important part. Because you come up with a nice garlic crust. You can add a little chives for a little fun. That's always good. Pizza, baby. Pizza and wings, baby. Pizza and wings for you. Yes, ma'am. Little Italian seasoning.
There's some more pepperonis on it.
Listen to the master, no Tom. Little pepper. Never add any salt because the salt you get from the cheese.
Oh, those are the ones that are already on there, huh? Mm-hmm.
Those are the ones that's already on there. It's kind of skimpy, isn't it?
Yeah, it is.
It's like
4
they're hurt.
pepperonis.
They're saying, "Help me, help me! Where's my friends and my cousins?" Okay, give me 5 more minutes now. Look you up, man. So you put a little Parmesan on that. You see that? I like that, don't you? I know you like that. So, the Parmesan is going to get married to a little Italian. Oh, look fine. There you go. And that's got multiple cheeses in it. Look at that. Yeah, get that all the way to the edge. Like that. Alright, that's all you need. You don't need too much. Nice. It's already got the mozzarella in it. So, it just depends on how you like your pizza. You know, you can have them super, super duper cheesy. Or, and it's a big or. But I like to add a little extra pepperonis on that bad boy. Who wants to eat a pizza with 1 bite of pepperoni? It's disgusting. You make you want to puke. It's like, next.
You're really good at this, baby.
I don't know. I just know what we eat and what we like. Throw that on there. And by the way, don't skimp on the pepperonis, player. And don't buy those old cheapos. Because when you buy the cheapos, that's what you're going to taste. Cheapo taste. So, spend a little extra 50 cents on that. Alright, player, when you get that, you got your there. So, let me get my oven mitt here.
It's on the I washed it.
Alright. Now, when you got one of these, you have a pizza block, you can sit it right there on there. See how pretty that looks at this party? Down when it's perfect there. 400 degrees. So we're gonna do this for, let's set the cooking time. Let's just go ahead and be adventurous. And we're gonna set it to 19 because you gotta make up for the time that you opened that oven and let it off of 400. In 20 minutes we'll come back and we'll take a look at that. We gotta melt some butter. You know.
You guys make it at the cemetery?
Yes, sir. Always.
Yes.
Was Smokey in here playing? Just a little bit of smokiness. Never heard nobody. So let's get that melted down a little bit. Let's just spread it on the melt the butter.
Look. You pretty? You pretty?
Look at me, Papa. I'm pretty.
Yes, you're always pretty. You're Papa's baby. You're always pretty, baby.
You're my best friend, Papa.
Oh, I love you too, baby.
You're my best
Papa's
friend,
baby.
Mama.
I love you, baby. Thank you.
Mommy.
The what?
I love that microwave cover.
Oh, yeah. I haven't used it yet.
But a little bit. And garlic. A bit of onion. And dressing. I'm so used to doing it. I like to use a little Italian dressing. There we go. Oh, yeah. Look at the camera and tell me.
What are we eating?
Oh, yeah. Look at that squirt.
The bottom.
Thanks right there. I'm messing with you. Let me get the utensil out of here while you're blocking my way.
The bunny.
What's wrong, baby? What's wrong, Bubba?
This bunny.
What's wrong?
He's over there.
What's wrong, Bubba?
What?
What's wrong?
It's bunny.
Is he hiding?
Yeah, he's hiding.
Say hi.
Hi. Mama, what the bunny?
I know.
The bunny.
Take a pinch of sea salt. Natural.
The bunny hiding.
Learn that from a guy who tells you to stay out of the kitchen. You don't want anybody to stay out of the kitchen, put too much sea salt in your food. Gotta keep them out of the kitchen. What are you doing?
Yeah, what are you doing? The hiding.
All right. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna pop this in the microwave again. One last time.
Papa,
Yes, baby.
the bunny hiding. Big cat.
What did you
Papa!
Bye, baby.
Go back to kitchen.
And I love this thing. It's a great buy.
I need to get that information so I can put that.
And if you notice,
For Amazon.
when I cook things in here, when I warm things up, this thing doesn't drip into the plate like a normal microwave cover. It takes it out, the steam. You see there? It doesn't hit the food. And it's collapsible. So if you got a smaller plate, bowl, it collapses. So, let's do this. This here, that here, that here. For myself, because it's too hot for the babies. They're not going to eat it even though they say they want it. And you can put this in a Ziploc and shake it all up. Just let that sauce cool a little bit. Put it in a Ziploc and you can shake the hell out of it.
Mama, come here.
What's going on, Bubba?
Mama, come here.
You be alright, Bubba. Alright, people. It's time to eat. Yes, ma'am, it is.